Hi guys, today we have iPhone 6s Plus not turning on and keep restarting on charger. Let's power on the device and wait for it. You can see in the logo and then the phone shut down. We are going to open the device to check if the battery is dead or not. This cases sometimes depends on battery problem, so you can first check if the battery is damaged, then we are going to the next method. The screen sticked with adhesive, so maybe you need to heat the screen to remove it. There is a adhesive beneath the housing and the LCD. Easy while removing the screen. We don't need to break the screen. If you think it's not removing, then heat it with heat gun. Remove the shield under the battery. Unplug the battery and then bring a new battery and see if the device will work or not. The new battery is in, power on the device. Let's wait and see it. If the device work on, just replace the battery. If not, we are going to continue to the method number 2. Okay, the device shut down and not restarting. Power it on again and check. The device also shut down. Then we are going to the method 2. Put the same battery in and then bring the device to computer. We need to use iTunes software on the PC. On the iTunes and then press home button until the recovery mode appear. First of all, I'm going to update the device because we don't want to remove the data inside the device. Restore the device means to remove all the data from your device, including all of your data. This 14 number means we have a problem with the software during installing the software. So we are going now to restore the device. The update has been failed. Now we are going to restore. That means all my data will be lost. There is nothing else you can do. You have to do it at last. The software needs to be downloaded first before restore. Just to know. Wait the software to be extracting, then it will start writing the iPhone restore. I will mention the downloading links in description. Seems the mission has been accomplished. Success, your iPhone has been unlocked. Wait a few seconds until the device restart and boot on. Okay, hola, the device has been working again. The problem has been solved. Now go and put the screws back. Okay. Now we are going to activate the phone. This is a simple activation. You need to click these settings, then the phone should be able to use. If you like this video, don't forget to support me by like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.